you want to meet somebody?
Why would you eat pig feet when a pig, all that gut stuff goes through their veins, down into their feet, and settles there? Folks, I know you don't want to hear it, and I always get, well, I could get hit by a bus. Yeah, you could do that, but you could die and kill over from heart disease tomorrow, too, from the way that you eat.
Maybe 3 years ago, it hit me and it said, hey, high blood pressure, take some pills.
That's
and then it hit me, cholesterol, take some pills.
Delta Sigma Theta sorority.
You studied this a little bit. Let me help you out. Delta Sigma Theta Incorporated. Don't make me go there.
Is Oprah a Delta?
Oprah is not a Delta, but she is a woman.
Okay.
Right.
That is
Yes.
And God is a woman.
Right. You're right about that.
I'm not messing with God. Don't forget you're listening to WHAP 1340 AM.
Hopewell, Virginia.
I can see his face. Great. Thank you, ladies.
Do you want to meet somebody? With my boy, Tony Squire.
I have a lot of contacts in the NBA. I have at least 10 of my guys that are NBA scouts. Well, it's thousands of kids. You talk to any kid now, if you're not playing AAU, you're not getting noticed. Since I got involved, we've helped probably close to 30 kids from this area to get invited to that camp.
You don't hear, in the African American community, you don't hear many of them talk about AAU.
Because college basketball right now, high school basketball is a business. And I mean, they're starting now to try to find these guys in middle school.
I want you to give us a call, 804-452.
4999.
Slow in the game, start making slow in the game. Single parent, all right.
That's
That's right. 1340 AM. Do you want to meet somebody? We are here with Doug Evans from Soul Logistics.
The radio was well received, I understand. Is that correct?
Yeah, it was crazy because I just threw something out there. I didn't know somebody was really gonna feel it. But what happened was like the older crowd, 50 and 55 year old. I'm like, what is going on? You know what I mean? I couldn't take. I didn't know how to take it.
Why do you call it Soul Logistics?
I feel soul and logistics is just bringing some folks together. So in the radio part, like I'm saying, we want to make it seem more like a radio where you can listen to one song and then the next song sounds totally different. You know what I mean? But it's the same group.
And we're getting ready to hear, I want to hear It's the Truth, because I've been pumping it in the car. We're getting ready to hear that, and he can comment on that. This is WHAP 1340 AM, Hopewell, Virginia. This is Pam Hyndman. This is the Pam HYNDMAN Live Show. My middle name is Dewana. Do you want to meet somebody?